right, Tiema Munyana Makwaba Edeba a porcupine stand here on YouTube with Selbed. Well, and then I think we had close to 25 to 26 minutes of Kotoko stories. Several more platform so. And then maybe we have to come in the evening, maybe around 9. For some reasons, because in seminar, until I see a train near the confirmations, well, at the moment, Asante Kotoko ewo Goy as a sponsor. At the moment, Asante Kotoko ewo High Sense as a sponsor. At the moment, Asante Kotoko ewo The Hope brand as a sponsor. Shannon Sumame. Sa 3, Kotoko Goil, High Sense, and the Hope brand as sponsors. Metre Sansemunum later. More ebeba positive news. But on some Monday, and Asante Kotoko IMC Eko PMO Fikesiem. Now let me tell you this, and I may go straight to the point that I didn't poso. Okay, my training news kakra. I mean, training news kakrebi. Na me remember other managerial issues, Na me go to us or Promise FM. Quick. Attacking line of Asante Kotoko. Albert Amuaho. Kwame Poku is training with the team. Still training with Kotoko. At the same time, Isaac Minta is training with the team. And Sampson Eduku. So about all training with the team. And now we training, now we training. The transfer window may be on the 26th of December. After Kotoko Abo against Dreams FC, on a transfer window be. And Kotoko will be going big on the transfer market. And I'm explaining Coach Ogum's presentation to the Asante Kotoko IMC, explaining to them why there will be the need for Kotoko to go big on the transfer market. After analyzing the team, or Tenase shade team, seen to a whole team, Quine or Befast wash team no canano, what they are 2 IMs in penny for an penny for not Jiatum, a young Wajuma, Tinamea Doma, Asante Kotoko, team near down. They will go big this transfer market. But last season, January, Abdul Fattah Safiu. The club decided say any player or returning were to coin or piano. There will be the need for the player to train with the team, for them to have at least an idea of how the fitness of the player is, apart from medicals, MRI scan, or which channel. I say player and say training. Fortunately for Kotoko, Coach Oguma has been able to convince these players to come down and train with Kotoko. So what the American say. So these players will be training. That's saying because January window ni be that's first round year. What that means that if you sign a player, the player will have to come in quick and get the job done, start working. And yet they are all bar. I don't know how to put it, but any player all bar, banner or banner, I quite to say over change because January transfer in may be a near first round. Now almost 3 matches. To Kotoko Mediama, Kotoko Baby any Go Stars, Kotoko Vision FC. These are matches that the new players can play for Kotoko. And so window near close to somewhere around January. And TCC no team no ni jinabia ni aye ho adwuma left back. Left wing back, a typical left winger, left-footed schemer, dribbler, and number 10. So between about number 10, that's what fine. Then the forwards, the new attacking force of Asante Kotoko. Training so far is good and rare. I think my submission on Promise concerning Freddy Kasarino, I've seen comments. I will explain that in the evening because most are daji or time or copa. So I will explain the details of the Freddy Kasari issue. And now Freddy Kasari started light training. Who's be born me quite say, Miana maybe can't say Freddy Kasari no proud during the week. Today in America, all started any idea. I'll come and explain all that. Nyame ya aduma enumre. I will take my time and explain that. So I know Frederick woman and enumre ye benya report diaba. Report beba. Na ye de nyina aka ho enumre no. Away from that, okay, minta yes, me kodin komo on Albert Amoa because na me here why the second top scorer in the Ghana Premier League enya a call up with the Black Galaxies na me here me wura mu numre but the me picking here said the fitness of Albert Amoa on say Albert Pry tina as a call up no the me picking so no my ato call up no my ato the Black Stars and some boom no. Then they started releasing various news to divide the media conversation around Ghana football. To study our buses, the NFA, the buses nearby. And if any stakeholder meetings, so many, in call for ye by. And if in our son release a Galaxies squad. No, it's not that time, not Albert Pra. But me beside said there be born boy ne bono. Yan trahasi ye kotoko ejuma e porcupine stand. Na yan can be ma Albert Amoa. So the explanation is out that a fitness issue. Inti Albert Bojano ye tawachi Bojana Galaxy in the Obekubi. Because you cannot name best 3 forwards in the Ghana Premier League without Albert Amoa. League no a second top scorer. Was 60% of Asante Kotoko goals. Pressure Kotoko nye pressure ketwa. So if a player is scoring untimin kan tremese ni dimbem. Ti Albert is how I fit no. Yen fan kugu a club a fan future stars so. Na yen twas war. The IMC of Asante Kotoko. Nana Penkra coach Akwesi Apia ebe ko Adakweja Achene. Say omuni hokra they will go to Adakweja Ache. Now official communique and no na me tete ho. Me catch us a former player ebe ba ball ebe ba system no so. Omo share me no. Once information ye de mawa ma men kan okura bi nkyere mo. Yentimi mpentini nyina ma wo saa. Me ka de ma me onya de me de ma mo de ma me no. Yentimi mpentini nyina nkyere wo saa but ye be make sure say key part bi wo ha e be cheche match. So everybody who monitored me yesterday and the following day, I made mention of the fact that me prefer say coach Akwesi Apia ye be uni from the position of a technical director. I said it. Say me coach Kwesi Apia cannot be the technical director of Asante Kotoko and be coaching in Sudan. It say if there's a local-based technical director, a former player, no so be system no, then he can interact with Coach Ogum. Whilst Coach Ogum and that local-based technical director will handle affairs with Coach Akwesi Apia even when he's in Sudan. Meka platform is well. Restructure neighbor. Makajo said nip and I even said it on radio that a DB be keka kotoko squad no. Na nya de deda abonten no ye betre kinipa bebre. Ti wote say media person bi aba menyo what say obi obe handle the corporate. Things will happen. Let's take our time. We are thrilled to announce the appointment of club legend and 2-time CAF Champions League winner Malik Jabel as the new technical director of the club. The club in this case is Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Coach Akwesi Apia, who recently held the position, will remain as a member of the club's management team. Welcome Malik. Well, for technical director, you need somebody respect whom. Yeah, respect. Playing body ne respect no. Coach ne respect no. Media respect no. He knows what he's saying when now somebody comes in. Johnny Malik Jabel really deserves this prestigious appointment. He has served the Porcupine family, ranking from player, team manager, coach, management member. This is the time to tap into his rich experience, which spans more than 4 decades. We hope that that with your appointment, Krobia shall reclaim its glory days like the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and early 2000s. We wish you well on your new appointment. This is a comment. Our Asante Kotoko post Nase. Okay. Inti bebre wo ho. Johnny Malik Jabel ababeka Asante Kotoko. Technical director position, whilst Coach Akwesi Appiah can now focus as a management member. And the Sudan will be akrana echiri. So the structure need rubber. Meeting a course on Monday of Fikesiemono. Me catch us say it's part of the ongoing strategic changes for Kotoko to align with the vision set forth by Menshia. Me catch them. Tienwa ene gusu dada na hu shepu ne ho a ewo ho. More to come. Ebi beka ho aba enye we pe. Hopefully ebi beka ho aba. So they will go to Adakwajachi. To introduce Malik Jabel to the playing body and also to the other personalities for Kotoko. Once a Kotoko youth team structure no more build the coach Asare Wilson solid, Coach Ogum solid, yes Ogum solid, Yenta Ogumechi on one juman Yenta Ogumechi Ubianka hinchire se obed but Yenta Ogumechi. Na new structure in Juma. So the management level be additions. Yes, it's expected that the management level be additions. So still be interim management committee be additions. Me see a board management. The board management and say you be appointed board, ni appointed management. Be appointed management members, almost say board members of Asante Kotoko because the club is being run from Fikesiem. It means that Coach Otia Kentendiana Anyamba so rather Malik Jabel gets the position. Now I hear how as a former player, a former coach, management member, how he can add value to the technical position of Asante Kotoko. At least how a bit me take pressure and be a free coach Ogum so. Now Bibiana 1-2 Ogum because he moved a Ogum cheaper because everything was evolving around him. Some of the things that are near can say siwo Kotoko ebe buano ebia starte ba from last 2 years my management structure na so what is so be they can say my na bibi techiri be nya ni nyina na yebetimi aka on framem enti yemfa we ni nsia Eduku ne other news ne de amemfa no nto wan corner enti must from appointment ne ba Monday Coach Ogum de no so ba Monday and then Wednesday Malik Jabel de aba okay more to come. Coach Akwesi Appiah nyaba dia. No na penkresia no muko Fikesiem mu pia. On said this it. Fikesiem yen kasa bebre. The vision of the club the mamo. Ni akan ye penise. Ni amamo the power. The emu here scan ye the amamo. Ti omuba secretariat da. Now they start to break the policies down and start the announcement. And they can repass new members to be added. But when there is clearance and you be boni panding clearance ba ni aboni panding clearance ba na ni panding club no officially announce it ni are making it clear to the public. So yam famunsia you be share numre. Have a good evening. Bye bye.